Hello, this is Devin, and I want to showcase our 3-inch turnbuckle, Swageless, and this is the wall mount or surface mount turnbuckle tensioner with the toggle. And so this guy is designed for stairs, straight runs. You can mount it vertically, the plate this way, or you can mount it horizontally for going around corners, bends, so extremely versatile. And they're awesome too because you can have, a lot of people are using post sleeves now, and these are great because you can use any size screw you want. 1/4-inch screws, you can get we stock 1.5 inch, 2.5 inch, really can get you anything you need for your project. But these also feature our latest inserts, which are machined out of a single piece of marine grade stainless steel. Very easy to work with. You do not need to take them out to install them any longer, and they just slide on in, tighten it up, and you're ready to go. Quick tutorial on turnbuckles. The biggest key on these guys is holding both ends still. So as long as they both are held still, then both sides will open up the same amount. And you want to make sure, that's the biggest part, make sure that the gap here and here is exactly the same. Let me give you an example of, let's see, of one of them not being the same. So if it looks like this, you truly only have this much tensioning available, so about 1/4 inch versus 3/4 inch there. 3-inch turnbuckles offer a total of just under 3 inches of tensioning and are awesome for your medium to slightly longer runs. And they are, again, what's interesting with cable railing is if you cut the cable well. So if you're really methodical on your cutting and making sure that you pull all the slack out and you cut very well, then you'll be surprised how little tensioning you actually need. But it's always advised to leave yourself, say once you're done, leave yourself with about this much tensioning left over so that as the system settles, you have more room down the road. And so if you have any further questions on applications that these might be suited or well suited for, give us a call anytime. We're here to help. We truly are. Thanks again. We'll talk soon.